A very good morning to respected principal, sister, teachers and all my dear friends. I myself, Vada Chahna from Standard 8C, standing here to say a few lines on prayer. Prayer is raising one's mind and heart towards the God, requesting good things from God. It is a path through which we can communicate with God. The prayer that comes from the heart can make impossible things quite possible. It increases your faith towards the God and brings you closer to God. So let's begin our daily prayers with concentration and peace of mind.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty, and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, a guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with joy and praises, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
I call Trivedi Mahi to say a thought.
respected father, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Maitri from Standard 8C, standing here to say the thought of the day. Life. Life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep balance, you have to keep moving. I repeat, life. Life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep balance, you have to keep moving. The thought means you have to keep moving no matter what. In life, you might face some failures and successfulness, but you have to keep moving. In life, you don't get what you need, but you have to manage from what you have got and what God has given you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Trivedi Mahi, for inspiring us with a wonderful thought. Thank you and have a nice day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे